Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to another insightful episode on our channel, VitalGlow Life. Today, we're taking a gastronomic journey into the realm of foods that cleanse your kidney. Our kidneys, the unsung heroes of our bodies, tirelessly work to filter out toxins, so it's essential we keep them in top shape. And what better way to do this than with delicious kidney-friendly foods? So, buckle up as we delve into the world of kidney cleansing foods. Let's dive into this delicious and healthy list of kidney cleansing foods. Kicking off our list are the tiny but mighty berries. When it comes to kidney health, these miniature powerhouses, especially cranberries and blueberries, pack quite a punch. They're brimming with antioxidants, those wonderful substances that help fight against harmful free radicals in our bodies. Additionally, they carry anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent ally in reducing inflammation often associated with kidney issues. So, in the grand scheme of your kidneys' health, these vibrant berries are far from insignificant. So, don't forget to add a handful of these vibrant berries to your diet. Next up on our list is garlic, a kitchen staple with surprising benefits. This humble bulb is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, supporting your kidneys by reducing oxidative stress. But that's not all. Garlic also plays a crucial role in maintaining your blood pressure levels. High blood pressure can cause harm to your kidneys over time, but with garlic in your diet, you're taking a step towards keeping it in check. So remember, garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also keeps your kidneys in good shape. The simplest yet most effective kidney cleanser is water. This clear, tasteless liquid is a powerhouse when it comes to maintaining kidney health. Staying hydrated is crucial, not just for your overall well-being, but specifically for your kidneys. Water is the primary vehicle that helps your body flush out toxins and unwanted substances. By keeping your body well hydrated, you're enabling your kidneys to do their job more efficiently. Remember, keeping hydrated is one of the best ways to ensure your kidneys are functioning well. Moving on to another incredible food for your kidneys, cabbage. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse of kidney-friendly benefits. Low in potassium, cabbage won't overtax your kidneys, while its high phytochemical content works to break down harmful substances in your body. These natural plant compounds not only protect you from disease, but they also aid in kidney cleansing. Best of all, cabbage is a versatile vegetable easy to add to any dish. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can be easily incorporated into your meals for a kidney boost. Last but not least, we have omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. These power-packed nutrients are a kidney's best friend. They play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, a common culprit in kidney disease. But that's not all. Omega-3s also help maintain kidney health by improving blood flow and filtering waste from the body. So, whether you're a sushi lover, a walnut cruncher, or a flaxseed fan, remember to get your omega-3s. Whether it's through supplements or food, omega-3 fatty acids are a must for optimal kidney health. And there you have it, a list of foods that can help cleanse your kidneys. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We started with the power of berries, nature's candy, packed with antioxidants that are key to kidney health. Then, we moved on to the goodness of garlic, a natural detoxifier that can help cleanse your system. Remember the magic of water? Staying hydrated is one of the most straightforward ways to keep your kidneys in top shape. We also talked about the wonders of cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable that's rich in phytochemicals, aiding in your body's detoxification process. And finally, we discussed the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Each of these food items plays a significant role in maintaining your kidney health. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to check the description box for herbal kidney cleanse, detox, and repair products. Please like, share, and subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more health tips. See you in our next video.